Hello guys, today I'll be showing you simple step-by-step guide on how to sell your digital products on Ecwid. Whether you're working with a low budget or just getting started, Ecwid can be a great solution for your e-commerce needs. So let's dive in. To get started, I will leave a link in the description below so you can create your own Ecwid account for free. Just click that link and you will land on this page. Click on get started with a free account and you will need to enter your full name, email and create a password. Once you have done that, you can set up your store. So after setting up your store, you will be navigated to your dashboard. In the dashboard, click on each item in the to-do list to begin customizing your store. For instance, when setting up your storefront, you can choose the theme, adjust your headline and update your information. This will help make your store look professional and tailored to your needs. Once your storefront is ready, it's time to add products. Go to the catalog section and click on Add New Product button at the top. Here you can upload an image, enter a name, SKU number, weight, pricing and description for your product. For example, let's add a digital art product. Click on Upload Images, choose an image of your digital product. Now name your digital product, type in SKU and set the price for your product. If you're on a free plan, you won't have access to some advanced features like comparing prices, but that's okay for now. In the description, you can add text, images, videos or links. For digital products, you can describe them and set the price. Although some features like selling digital files directly require an upgraded plan. I will show you the workaround. So if you're using a free plan, you can still sell digital products by handling the delivery manually. For instance, after someone purchases your digital art, you can send them the file via email or a file sharing service like Google Drive or WeTransfer. Alternatively, you can sell digital products on other platforms like Etsy and link your product from there. Now, coming back to our product, now we'll add the description. So, if you don't know how to add a well-created description, you can navigate to ChatGPT and type in a prompt that says, create a description for a product that I'm selling on Ecwid. That is, and enter the name of your product. In my case, it's Cheese Pizza AI Art. So I've entered it and I've got this response. So I'll click on copy, navigate back to Ecwid and paste that description here. Now I can click on save at the top right and my product has been saved now. Now, one thing that we need to do here is navigate to the files option and click on this upgrade to sell digital products. So whether you want to sell ebooks, videos, music, digital art or any other downloadable files or just want to complement a tangible product with a digital copy, Ecwid will automate the process for you. Just upload your files and Ecwid will instantly and securely deliver them to the buyer upon purchase. So click on upgrade to sell digital goods and you can choose any one of these options. You can choose venture, business or unlimited. Just click on upgrade under that option and you'll be navigated to the payment page. You'll have to add your credentials and click on the pay button. Then get a free plan and after that you can sell your digital products pretty easily using Ecwid. So that's how you sell digital products on Ecwid. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And thanks for watching.